Hi everyone, welcome to today's class, which looks at the use of conjunctions. So what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are used to join words or groups of words together. There are three main groupings: coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and subordinating conjunctions. This class will focus mainly on the use of coordinating conjunctions. Usually, the elements joined by a coordinating conjunction are of equal rank. They are used to join individual words. For example, John, Aaron, and Luke arranged to meet by the park at 4 p.m. They're used to join phrases. The doctor's secretary or his new intern will notify you when the report is ready. And they're used to join independent clauses. The girls were at the bar, but all the guys were waiting by the pool. This table shows the main coordinating conjunctions. You may have heard of the acronym fanboys: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. So let's take a closer look at some of the most common coordinating conjunctions, starting with and. This is used to give extra information. She works during the day and studies at night. But is used for two contrasting clauses. I like swimming, but not in the ocean. Or gives options. We can book an appointment for 2 p.m. or 4 p.m. So is used to give a result. It was raining, so we didn't go out. Or, I don't have any money, so I can't go shopping. In contrast to so, because gives a reason. We didn't go out because it was raining. I can't go shopping because I don't have any money. Correlative conjunctions appear in pairs. For example, either or, neither nor, both and, whether or, and not only, but also. Here are some examples. In the summer, Dan will either travel to Germany with his girlfriend or stay home and work for his father. Neither John nor Charles have been to Sweden. Both Emily and her sister are actresses. These pairs of conjunctions require equal or parallel structures after each one. Jack not only wants money but also fame. This is an example of a sentence that does not have parallel structures. The noun money is first followed by the verb wants, but the noun fame is not. Jack wants not only money but also fame. Now this sentence does have equal or parallel structures, because the verb wants applies to both money and fame. Jack wants not only money, but also wants fame. Again, this sentence has equal structures, because the verb wants is used twice, first preceding the noun money, and then again preceding the noun fame. Subordinating conjunctions include after, although, as, because, before, if, once, since, than, that, though, till, until, when, where, whether, and while. They are used to show the relationship between the independent clause and the dependent clause. Here's an example. Keep your hands on the wound until the nurse asks you to take it off. A big debate in the English language is over whether to use a comma before and in a list. The world is divided on whether there should be a comma. The truth is there isn't a right answer. The comma before the conjunction is called an Oxford comma, and it's generally more common in the United States than it is in the United Kingdom. Complete these sentences using and, so, or, but, or because. Complete these sentences using and, but, so, or because. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.